and that subsequent animal testing has shown it to be almost impossible to induce these malformations in laboratory animals, including various strains of mice, rabbits, dogs, hamsters, primates, cats, armadillos, guinea pigs, swine and ferrets. Only in one or two certain rare breeds of rabbit, and occasionally primates, were malformations induced, and only then when the drug was given in massive doses.
It never ceases to amaze me that people try to argue that more animal experiments would have prevented thalidomide. It wouldn't have. Here's what happened. Many babies got born like me. They started doing loads of tests on many different species, almost none of which suffered the ill effects of the drugs seen in humans. Eventually they discovered that New Zealand white rabbits also gave birth to deformed offspring, but only when they were given ridiculously large amounts of the drug. So it would have come onto the market anyway, even if they'd known about the New Zealand white rabbits, because a vast majority of the species had no ill effects from the drug. The Journal of American Medical Association in 1975 state that it had been established that man is 60 times more sensitive to thalidomide than the mouse, 100 times more than the rat, 200 times more sensitive than the dog, and 700 times more sensitive to thalidomide than the hamster. And those are all species that are very popular with animal experimenters. So what we draw from that is this. Today, if thalidomide was trying to be marketed by some scientists to go onto general release, the weight of evidence from animal experiments would suggest that yes, thalidomide is perfectly safe to use.
Since thalidomide, all drugs and thousands of other chemical substances which find their way into the environment have been tested on animals in an attempt at avoiding human birth defects. In the wake of